Hi, I'm back again. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method of folding, uh, making kolkatas and how to make the new method of folding it. Let's go and watch. Now, give a good filling of shakra and coconut jaggery in the center. Make a circle like a small puri, and now we're going to fold it into half and then start folding it. So we folded the kolkata into half. Just press, pinch up, fold it, pinch up, fold, pinch, fold, pinch, fold. You pinch again, fold, pinch, fold. See? You with practice you will get it to be done neatly. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. I'll be back with another new recipe. Bye for now.